So the Reggae Boys are now in Trinidad for another friendly international, with Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore finally promising to address the absence of creative players in the team.
In today's football, we have to have that special kind of player, and that is someone we've been searching for. Now, if you look on a young Vishnell Harris, you look on Kareem Paris, and what we have seen from them is something that they can offer to the team as that sort of player we've been looking for. But again, it's not being the coaches call them to the squad. They have to want to be here. They have to show that they want to be here and to offer what we are looking for.
That is like music to the ears. It's been a mystery as to why Theodore Tapper Whitmore, one of Jamaica's best ever creative midfielders, was trying to coach the national team without creative players. Only hope the players he identified in Arnett Gardens talisman Vishnell Harris and Dintel schoolboy Kareem Paris will put in the work and grab this opportunity with both hands and feet. Now, with that hurdle hopefully out of the way, watch this now. Alex Marshall, another player with some creativity, on the dribble in the national training. But Tapper, watch the surface. Watch the surface. This is hindering the emergence of more creative players. Yes. Hold on there. Yes, Tapper. Yes, but when you forward the top, when you forward, yes, the surface them want fix. Yes, Tapper, the surface them want fix. But when you forward the top about that, that is the end of sports. When you forward the top about that,